The reincarnation of the Dalai Lama holds utmost significance amongst the traditions and culture of Tibetan. China wants to control this process of reincarnation, which is very ironic because the communist China is an atheist country, and they want to control this process of reincarnation so that they can continue with their draconian reprisal of the poor Tibetan people. What they did in 1995 when they kidnapped the Panchen Lama, the legitimate Panchen Lama, is known to the whole world, and they have anointed a puppet monk as the puppet Panchen Lama. They intend to do the same now with the next Dalai Lama. We condemn this, and I welcome the statement of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama that the next Dalai Lama could be born from outside China and from outside Tibet. Tibetans, I appeal and urge all my Tibetan brothers and sisters across the globe that they should resist in every possible way the sinister design of China and strengthen the hands of His Holiness. Thank you. Touch the leg. Jai Hind.
Tanda nga tsuga ane chi shudu ting nyingba di chewe kapsi yinba ina ane chi nga tsuga ya shugu kudu sambala ya ane miksega ane miyu nge jenga tone ki ane tila ya chuso tumi miksega tanda pedun jabcho soba ke tanda chuso tumi ka chozo soba sujit kuma korang yinba ina tila jabcho sento tunya ane chi raju besta tanda Darjeeling chuso tumi dinanshin sasmi patra odisha chuso tumi korang zungani jabcho sento tunya korang zungani tindega tone ane chi goshizo tila ya nga zungani ane jabcho tikana godu ane tinde chi naru chi lewa ke tinde ke tone shugyab tinde ke juram june ane chi tanda ga tsenkyo ke konsultar tumu ke tatan petuwa tinde chi chungo res chi shua yin